grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich recipe, a delicious twist on a classic favorite. If you're looking to elevate your classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich, then this grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich recipe is exactly what you need. Perfect for kids and adults alike, this grilled sandwich brings a delicious twist to the traditional peanut butter and jelly combo. The crispy, golden exterior combined with the creamy peanut butter and sweet fruit jelly filling will make this sandwich your new favorite snack or meal. Whether you're preparing it for breakfast, lunch, or a quick treat, this grilled version adds an irresistible crunch while keeping all the flavors intact. Let's dive into how to make this easy, mouth-watering sandwich. Ingredients for grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich: 2 teaspoons butter, 2 slices of white bread, 2 teaspoons of any flavor fruit jelly, grape, strawberry, or your preferred option, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. Directions to make your grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Step 1. Gather your ingredients for the perfect grilled PB&J. Before you begin, ensure you have all the necessary ingredients to make your grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The simplicity of the recipe is what makes it both quick and delicious. All you need is butter, bread, peanut butter, and jelly of your choice. Step 2. Heat your griddle or skillet. Next, place a griddle or skillet on the stove and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This will allow the bread to toast evenly and achieve that golden, crispy texture you love in grilled sandwiches. If you don't have a griddle, a non-stick skillet works perfectly well too. Step 3. Prepare the bread. Once your griddle is ready, it's time to prepare the bread. Spread butter generously on one side of each slice of bread. This buttered side will be placed face down on the griddle, so it's essential for achieving that golden, crunchy exterior. On the unbuttered side of one slice, spread a layer of your favorite fruit jelly. For the other slice, spread peanut butter on the unbuttered side. This layering is key to making the perfect grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Step 4. Put it all together. Place the 2 slices of bread together with the peanut butter and jelly filling facing each other. You now have your sandwich ready to grill. The peanut butter will add that creamy texture, while the jelly will offer the sweet, fruity flavor that balances the richness of the peanut butter. Step 5. Grill the sandwich. Place the assembled sandwich onto the preheated griddle and let it cook for about 4 minutes on each side. You'll know it's ready when the bread turns golden brown and crispy. Make sure to press down gently on the sandwich while grilling to help the bread crisp up evenly. Once both sides are beautifully toasted and the peanut butter has melted into the jelly, your grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich is ready to be enjoyed. Why you should try a grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This grilled version of the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich is not only a fun twist on a beloved snack, but it's also a practical option for busy mornings or a satisfying after-school treat. The heat transforms the sandwich, creating a delicious contrast between the hot, gooey inside and the crispy, crunchy outside. For added flavor, you can also experiment with different types of bread, like whole wheat or sourdough, to create your own perfect grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Conclusion: the ultimate grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. With just a few simple ingredients and a little time, you can make a grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich that will become a go-to favorite. Whether you're making it for the kids or treating yourself, this recipe is sure to bring joy and comfort with every bite. The combination of rich peanut butter and sweet jelly encased in crispy, buttery toast is unbeatable. Try it today and experience a whole new level of sandwich enjoyment. Remember, you can always get creative by adding extra toppings like bananas, honey, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon to give your grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich a unique twist.